Hello everyone, I am Krishna Sonar and I am from India. Today I'll demonstrate Scrapeverse, a self-healing competitive intelligence platform built for the into the Scrapeverse hackathon. I'll divide the demonstration into two parts. Part 1 covers the technical administrator workflow and part 2 covers the business client experience. So part 1. Web scrapers can silently fail when a website changes its layout. Scrapers connects Bright Data Scraper Studio with validation, persistence, alert, self-healing, and competitive intelligence. Um, so this is a real public product catalog. We will monitor. We will collect product information such as names, description, prices, brands, variants, and reviews. So we'll create Bright Data Collector, and when it's completed, Bright Data creates the collector that we will reuse for future runs. So we'll wait for a minute. We have to wait for this. So it's completed, and Bright Data created a collector ID that will use it. Bright Data collects the real product data and runs a structured output, and it will return the JSON response using this command. Ruler will go and add this. So the website name will give it as this. We have this scraper name and what we would like to extract. And we have to use a scraper ID. We'll expect 5 minimum records, and description is and we'll wait for this now. Scrapers saves the monitor configuration in PostgreSQL, calls bright data, receives the structured records, validates them, normalizes the data, and stores historical snapshots. So I have ran this by giving the website name, website URL, uh, website name, website URL, and the fields to extract, the collector ID, the scraper name, and the expected and the description. Scraper ID is used this. So I have clicked create monitor and run collector. So after that, this is the overview. Now the websites are 11, and now we'll navigate to health. So the health dashboard tells us whether the collector is healthy, how many records were returned, and whether required fields are missing. So here it is, and the status is failed, last run 1 minute, records 25, health score is 70, missing availability and rating, and last hail is 2 minutes ago. So we'll run the run for the monitor. So we'll reuse the same bright data collector ID. The new result is stored as another historical run. So this will take some time. So this will be taking some time. I'll continue. The administrator configures the Bright data collector and connects it to Scrapeverse. From this point, the business user doesn't need to work with the terminal. And this is the end of the part 1. Now we'll begin with the part 2, business client. So this is the dashboard. This is the business users command center. They don't need to understand Bright data or scraper implementation. The Bright data, the dashboard shows monitored websites, products, healthy collectors, detected changes, healing events. The client can immediately see whether their data pipeline is healthy. This turns raw scraped data into useful business information. The client can see price changes, availability changes, new products, removed products, historical comparisons, AI generated insights. The alerts page explains important events in business friendly language. Examples are collector completed successfully, price change detected, availability changed, etc. So this is the healing page. The client can see what failed, how it was recovered, and whether manual intervention was required. So Scrapeverse is not just another web scraper, it is a reliable competitive intelligence platform that uses Bright Data Scraper Studio to keep web data flowing when websites change. Administrators configure the pipeline once, and business users receive reliable competitive intelligence without touching the terminal. So this was the project, and thank you for watching.